Hola, soy Gabi. Hello, I am Gabi, and welcome to this first class with me. We will review some vocabulary so you can greet people from day one. My teaching style, very briefly, is that I'm sorry. Um, you will be able to use vocabulary, speaking, listening, and even though I am using writing as a helpful aid, I see you already saw with Karina the alphabet. We are going to be able to greet people and just make sure to try to use the words you learned today in your daily life because that's what will help you in the long run. So let's start with some basic words. Yeah, writing won't be super important right now, but again, it can be helpful just so you remember the words. So try to repeat them out loud if you can. Hola, hola, hello. That's the most basic one. Gracias, thank you. You will use that a lot. Gracias. Y means and. Tú means you. Tú. Then we also have bienvenido, which means welcome. So let's repeat very quickly. Hola, gracias. Y tú, bienvenido. We will use it right away. Don't worry. We will review everything over and over again so you have it more memorized. When I ask you, hello, how are you? What I am saying in Spanish is, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? I am asking how you are. And you can respond with, estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Which literally means, I am fine, thank you. And you? That's the more polite way, but also casual way to greet someone in Spanish. So we can review that again. Now in Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Now, sorry. Ideally, you will repeat out loud. So I would ask you, hola, ¿cómo estás? And you would usually say in a very polite way because you don't give much detail at the beginning is bien, ¿y tú? Or you can say more politely, estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? I am fine, thank you. And you? Now we will see other ways which you can communicate. We will see a little bit more vocabulary, just so you are able to talk very freely. Try using these words with your family, your friends, etc. You can respond with estoy feliz. Estoy feliz. I am happy. My pronunciation is of a native speaker, so you can be confident that I am giving you how it is said. So let me go again. Estoy feliz. Another one we can use is I am sad. Estoy triste. Estoy triste. Or in a tone. Estoy triste. So when I ask you, hola, ¿cómo estás? You can say, estoy bien. Gracias. ¿Y tú? Or, estoy feliz. Or, estoy triste. Yeah, sorry. We had this one, and you can review this as a helpful writing aid in case you want to review this later. I will probably add the link to this presentation in the chat or in a comment down below this live stream. Another one that's very common, I am busy. Now, this varies a little bit whether you are a man or a woman. So if you are a man, you would say, estoy ocupado. Estoy ocupado. Estoy ocupado. If you are a woman, estoy ocupada. Estoy ocupada. Estoy ocupada. For now, don't worry, just remember we will ask these questions every lesson, so it will be easy to remember. Next, we have another one that's repeated a lot. I am tired. Again, it varies a little bit whether you're a man or a woman. So if you're a man, we would say, estoy cansado. Estoy cansado. Estoy cansado. And if you are a woman, you would say, estoy cansada. Estoy cansada. Estoy cansada. I know this seems very simple, but because this is something you can use daily, it will be easier. Next one, another one that's very common. I am bored. Again, if you're a man, estoy aburrido. Estoy aburrido. Estoy aburrido. If you're a woman, estoy aburrida. Estoy aburrida. Estoy aburrida. I know the R is a little difficult, but if with practice, you will be able to say it. Repaso, review. Now, the reason I am just showing images without the words is because it is very important for me, for you to remember the vocabulary without always needing the writing aid. Basically, my teaching method is very based in the same way you learned with your mother tongue, which as a baby you didn't write, you didn't read, you just heard, spoke, and yeah, you were in a constant immersion. So try to use this into your daily life. I cannot insist on that enough. So let's review. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. And you? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Now, we already saw this one. Do you remember? Estoy feliz. Estoy feliz. I am happy. Then this next one, do you remember? Estoy triste. Estoy triste. I am sad. Next one, we have I am busy. Remember, for a woman, we would say estoy ocupada. Estoy ocupada. Estoy ocupada. For a man, we would say estoy ocupado. Estoy ocupado. Hope you can follow along. Next one, we said about I am tired. So for a woman, estoy cansada. Estoy cansada. And for a man, it is estoy cansado. Estoy cansado. Then for I am bored, estoy aburrida. Estoy aburrida. And for a man, estoy aburrido. Estoy aburrido. Now, we also said a couple more words, but I will go repeating them each class, like bienvenidos, ¿cómo están? Which you can already assume what I am saying. Now, don't worry. Right now we are starting very slow, repeating a lot, but once we have enough vocabulary and we pick up steam, we can start with the hard stuff. But from this class, you should be able to greet your loved ones or your friends or even yourself in the mirror. You can say to yourself, Hola, ¿cómo estás? And you can say to yourself, Estoy bien. Gracias. ¿Y tú? If you want to add that one, but you don't need that with yourself. But you can say also what you're feeling that day. Estoy feliz, estoy triste, estoy ocupada, estoy ocupado, estoy cansada, estoy cansado, estoy aburrida, estoy aburrido. For now, that is all, and I will say goodbye to you in Spanish. Adiós. Thank you very much for listening to this first class. If there are any doubts, I will be in touch. Anything or any question or any topic you want covered, you can comment down below and I will be sure to try to answer.